Oh, what's up, bro?
Hey, what's up?
Hey,
What
are
are
you doing?
We are memorizing IPA card.
I see. So, what if I give you all simple test about IPA card?
Alright,
For sure.
For sure.
We start from you, Irfan.
Okay, I will start the monotone first. Vowels. Okay. First is E, H, E, beach, U, good, U, shoe, excellent, round, first, four, flat, but, hard, no.
Good job, Irfan. So, who next? Okay, Nabil. Let's go.
Say the deep sound, right? The first sound is here, near, and the second is A, stay, tour, and oi, toy, O, snow, and A, fair, and then I, sky, and then O, mouth.
Okay, good job, Nabil. So, the name Romy.
I think Sabiq is going to be good.
Okay, Sabiq.
I will say the consonant. There are four, b, beer, take, under, chair, job, key, and go.
Oh, great. Good job. Let's play Romy.
Alright, I'm going to be the last one here. So the first one is for my, for now, for ring, for head, for learn, for raw, for war, and the last one is for yesterday.
Good job.
Thank you.
And what about you, Gya? Did you know the consonant words?
Consonant word. It's so easy for me, bro. Okay. Maybe I will start with bar. Very. Front. That. See. Zebra. Show. And the last one. Division.